Hello and welcome to all of you. I hope you all are absolutely safe and fine. Let me introduce myself. This is Shashi Kumar Bambani. I am working with HDFC Securities from last 3 years. I have studied MBA in the area of finance from Parul University, Vadodara. Today's my topic is for this session is understanding financial management for individuals. So let us talk about markets first. What is market first of all? Market is a place where we can buy and sell the things. Typically, if I want to buy a 2 rupees pen, I have to go to the shopkeeper and I have to ask for a pen. I have to exchange 2 rupees for the pen, right? So it is a marketplace where you can buy and sell the goods and services, whatever you want to buy. You have to go to the market and you have to exchange your hard earned money to buy the goods and services. So in other words, the market is a place where you exchange your hard earned money to fulfill your wants and needs. Now let us understand what is wants and what is need. Need is something that roti, kapda and makan. रोटी, कपड़ा और मकान, ये 3 चीज नीड्स में आता है. वो हर एक लोगों के लिए जरूरी है, right? And the wants, like 10 years down the line, if I want to buy a 3 BHK flat in a class area, in a posh area, then it is my want, right? If I want to buy a 10 lakh rupees a car, it is my want. If I want to buy 1 kg gold or 5 kg gold, it is my want, right? So these are the wants. Needs are something you can live happily whatever you have. Like if you have 1 BHK flat, you can live with 1 BHK flat, right? So roti, kapda or makan, it is a kind of things which comes under needs, and the other things, other luxurious things comes under wants, right? So now let us talk about financial market. First we have talked about markets. Now let us talk about financial markets. In financial markets, let's say if you want to buy 1 share of Reliance Industries, or you want to invest in mutual funds, or you want to buy an insurance, life insurance or general insurance, right? These all the things are known as financial instruments. And where you can buy this financial instrument, the market is called financial markets, right? So the financial market is a place where you can buy the shares and securities and mutual funds and insurance. Like it is nothing but the different financial instruments, right? So if you want to buy any financial instrument out of these 3-4 things, you have to go to the place. The place is known as financial market, right? Now let us talk about equity market. What is equity market? The equity market is nothing but the ownership funds. So if you want to buy a share of Reliance Industries, 5 shares of Reliance Industries, 1 share worth of 1000 rupees. So if you have 5000 rupees in your pocket, and if you want to buy the shares of Reliance Industries, you have to spend 5000 rupees, you will get the 5 shares of Reliance Industries, right? So it is nothing but a ownership fund. Now why people are, most of people are investing in equity market? The simple answer is, if you want to buy a 3 BHK flat in Baroda or Surat or Mumbai, it will cost you in Baroda and Surat, it will cost you 60 to 70 lakh, 80 lakh rupees 2 BHK flat, right? In Mumbai, it will cost you 1.5 cr. You have to invest 1.5 cr or 2 cr around, and more than that if you want to buy in a posh area in Mumbai. So the lump sum amount of 2 crore rupees or 1.5 crore rupees you will not have in your account, right? In your saving account or whatever your savings are less than the cost of flat, right? So how to build a wealth from equity markets? Most of people nowadays, most of people are investing in equity markets. Why? It is a platform which will give you a chance to create a wealth over a period of time. 10 years down the line, if you want 2 crore rupees from day one, if you investing in equity markets or mutual funds or insurance, you will get the returns out of after 10 years. So 10 years down the line, you can fulfill your goal, right? So from the day one, let us say your age is 22-year old, and you are a salaried person. You have started a job which give you a monthly salary of 30,000 rupees, right? So out of 30,000, from the very first month, if you are starting investing in equity markets or mutual funds, after 10 years down the line, 15 years down the line, you can fulfill your dream of getting 2 BHK, 3 BHK flat in Mumbai or Surat kind of cities, right? So there is the importance of equity, investing in equity market. The second objective or second importance is, many people are traders. There are two categories. One is investor and the other are traders. First we have talked about investors. Now we will talk about traders. So traders, what they are doing? Traders, what they are doing? They buy the shares for 1 month, 2 months, or 3 days, or 4 days, or fortnight, and like 15 days. They can sell it. Like if airline shares today, it is currently current market price is 1,000 rupees. After 5 days, if it is 1,080 rupees, the traders will get 80 rupees of profit, and they can sell the shares, like day to day earning, or couple of days in a month they are earning the shares. They can they are not holding the shares for long term. They are the people who are trading in the stock market for shorter period of time, right? So these are the two kind of people out there in the market. One are the traders and the other are investors. Investors will keep investing for longer period of term, right? And they can fulfill their dreams after 10 years down the line, 15 years down the line, whatever the goal they have set for themselves, they can achieve the goal, right? Now this is all about traders and investors, right? So today we have discussed about marketplace. We have talked about need and wants. We have talked about equity markets, financial markets, equity markets, and in equity market, what is trader and what is investors. So for today, in next session we'll discuss about what are the different ways investing in equity markets. What are the shares, in which share you can invest for longer period of time, in which shares you can trade on daily basis. We'll discuss, right? So this is from my side for today. Thank you. Thanks a lot.